Okay, welcome. I'm going to put my Quintana Roo PR5 Series bike on top of my 2021 Mustang, and let's see how long it takes and how easy it is. Enjoy. Okay, so that is how long it took me to install the 2021 Ford Mustang and the Quintana Roo PR5 Series bike on the back there. As you can see, it's very simple, very safe, and I'm just gonna take it down the road. I don't use it for really long trips, but it's perfect for kind of short trips, maybe 2 hours or less. So I do highly recommend it. Try it out.